Vinyl windows are going to have some of the cons. There's going to be some expanding and contracting of vinyl windows, which just means that over time they're not going to last forever as opposed to like a fiberglass or an aluminum clad window. But they offer so many different ultra premium vinyl windows, they call it, and that's the only ones that we'll install, because we will install any window that you ask us to. But we really push you towards the top end, things like the Mezzo from Allside. Pella has a great vinyl window, Windsor, Marvin. A lot of times they're not going to give you the wood look that a lot of people are going for. A nice thing about vinyl windows, they come in a lot of different colors. And a lot of people like the black and the white trends. They look gorgeous. And quite frankly, vinyl windows they're a great window to choose from. They cost a lot less than some of the other options. And for most people, that's going to suit their needs. They're going to be super happy, and it's going to make the home of their dreams with a vinyl window. Most customers, and we don't mind doing this at all, is I'll give you a couple different options. I'll always give you the entry level. When I say entry, it's a very, very good window. But we'll also give you the step ups. And then depending on what manufacturer you choose, if you choose an Anderson, you can go with a 100 series, which is a type of Fibrex material, down to the 400 series. And we'll go through, and I like to use car analogies. And basically for each manufacturer that you're looking into or you're thinking about, we can kind of go over exactly, and then also give you all the price points with the quote so that you can see the different options, what it's going to cost, and then you can make a good decision based on what you're looking for. Now, the nice thing about replacement windows is whether it's vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum clad or wood, it's going to be the same installation time frame, usually done in a day. And just depending on the scope and the size of the home and how many windows, it can take up to 2 days. But very rarely would it be over 2 days. And it's pretty non-invasive, we're kind of in and out. It's a relatively quick process, just has to be done correctly with the right materials. And we only use the top end materials. Everything we use from down to our nails, we're all to manufacturer specs plus some. So vinyl windows will actually be your quickest time frame as far as to get, usually between 6 and 8 weeks right now. Compared to some of your higher end fiberglass and up, they can actually take quite a bit longer. And it also depends what kind of color you choose. For a vinyl window, usually white would be a standard color. And if you wanted to use a black, it's going to be a little bit more money and it's going to take an extra week or two. And it just really depends on your time frame and when you're looking to get the project done. Another problem, not a problem, but another con of vinyl windows is that about 25% of the windows that we replace are vinyl windows. So people kind of have a stigma of, well, you're replacing my vinyl windows. Obviously they don't last forever. And that is true. But the nice thing is that the vinyl windows from 10, 15 years ago are completely different materials, different manufacturers, and they've really got it down. With the Mezzo window that we like to use from Allside, it's an amazing window, and it's going to last a lot longer than you'd ever think with your old vinyl windows that we might be replacing that you might have replaced 12 years ago.